Welcome to our channel. Today we how to fix Sony PlayStation Network connectivity issues step by step clearly. Begin by checking the PlayStation Network service status online. Visit the official PlayStation Network status page to ensure there are no reported outages. If everything looks good on the service status page, move on to your internet connection. Check if other devices in your home can connect to the internet. If they cannot connect, restart your modem and router. Unplug the power cables from both your modem and router. Wait for about 30 seconds, then plug them back in. Once the lights are stable, try connecting your PlayStation again. If your PlayStation still can't connect, check your network settings. Go to the Settings menu on your PlayStation. Select Network, then choose Test Internet Connection. Take note of the connection status displayed. If the status shows issues, consider using a wired connection. Connect your PlayStation directly to your router with an Ethernet cable. After connecting, repeat the test to see if connectivity improves. If you prefer using Wi-Fi, ensure your console is near the router. Next, check your Wi-Fi password. If uncertain, access your router settings and verify the password. Return to your PlayStation and re-enter the Wi-Fi password. If you are still facing issues, consider changing your DNS settings. Go back to the network settings in the PlayStation. Select Setup Internet Connection and choose Custom Setup. For IP address settings, select Automatic. For DHCP hostname, choose Do Not Specify. For DNS settings, select Manual. Enter primary DNS as 8.8.8.8 and secondary DNS as 8.8.4.4. Complete the setup and test your internet connection again. If the issue persists, restart your PlayStation console. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.